So Dean Fisher, members of the faculty, and proud parents, and above all, ladies and gentlemen of the class of 2016. It's a great honor to deliver this particular speech, and as a real expert suggested me, I will start with some compliments. So first of all, I want to thank my people from the LLM class who thought that I would be up to the task. And among them, a special mention deserve those who, even they finished their LLM program last semester, they've come back expressly for graduation. And I mean Tori, Lawrence, and of course, Wijdan and Knife. I also want to thank Dean Fisher during the tough moment of this year. I always recalled your sentence, "We don't leave anyone behind." And it worked all the time to make me feel better, so thank you for that. And even more important, that sentence was true. Thank all the professors for your commitment and for having been so patient with our awful English. Speaking on behalf of the British, thanks Peter, Patricia, Carrie, Jan, Jana, Carolyn, Mrs. Rodino, Nadine from the ISS, and of course, thanks to my family who is here today. And last but not the least, thanks to my precious wife. I would never made it without you. Back to us, I'm very proud to speak on behalf of the aliens. Yes. Even if not all the LLM participants are international students, most of us are aliens. And just like aliens, we landed on this planet on August 17, 2015. Chase 110. And I remember exactly. A bunch of people, each one different from the other. Basically, we were the Noah's Ark. There weren't more than two samples of the same speeches. We were different in everything. Mother tongue, different foods, different clothes, different haircuts, different habits. Just a couple of things in common. We spoke English, someone barely like me, and we were there to study law with a capital L. It's been very hard at the beginning. Westlaw, LexisNexis, choose the classes, do the maths for the credit, enroll, and introduce yourself at least 10 times per day. Hi, I'm Paolo, and I come from the most beautiful and dangerous part of Italy. Does it sound familiar? Fortunately, things went quickly better, day after day, and we've been through many things. Blue book citation, the plagiarism, cases, less snow and cold than expected, and cases again. A foul ball, a spring ball, and cases again. A lot of cases. But you got here, and you all have worked hard to reach this day. Now that the race is over, I'm called to speak in front of you, and I'll take this chance to dispense some advice that I won't get right, and you probably won't listen to, but I mean, this is nothing original, nothing that you have never heard before. I'm not Steve Jobs anyway, but I'll try to put the same pathos. So, first of all, don't worry about the future or about the world out there. I've already been out there, and trust me, there's nothing scary. You're the most talented group of people that I ever met. Those people out there, if anything, should worry about you. Look always for what makes you happy. Life is too short and goes too fast to waste your time with things that make you unhappy. So find you a job that you will do for free, as my grandmother say, and get paid for it. And if it's not like that, be brave. Drop everything. Go elsewhere, restart, or go back to study, just like I did, as I did. And please don't feel guilty if you don't know what you want to do in your life. Some of the most interesting 40 years old that I know still don't. Maybe you will be a famous judge, or no, maybe you will be a famous defense counsel or a respectful judge, or maybe you will run your own insurance company, or maybe you will do something completely unrelated with your study. life sometimes follow your instructions, sometimes simply don't. So your choice are half chance. And accept that friends come and go, but a precious few will stay forever, ou pour toujours. Some of them are seated next to you. Cultivate that real friendship and keep those friends close to you the longest you can. Because the older you get, the more you need people you knew when you were young. And don't complain. Look how fabulous you are now, and keep your freshness, enjoy your youth, and take advantage of your energy. No one stays young forever except me. The power and beauty of your youth will fade, and that's a fact. So be curious, stay open to try something new, something ambitious, something that scares you. You might succeed or you might fail, but it's impossible to live without failing at something. My last tip for the future before I leave is actually a quote from by Jordan Belfort, The Wolf of Wall Street. Act as if you are a wealthy man, rich already, and then you'll surely become rich. Act as if you have unmatched confidence, and then people will surely have confidence in you. Act as if you have unmatched experience, and then people will follow your advice. And act as if you are already a tremendous success, and as sure as I stand here today, you will become successful. Thank you so much for this amazing year, and wish you all the best.